This is a lighter pistol.
This lighter fires .22 caliber rounds, making it one of the greatest pieces of American engineering.
And the way this thing works is rather unique. So this little arm right here actually functions as the hammer and will cause the round to go off when it strikes it. And then this is propelled upwards and sets the round off. You want to make sure your fingernails are cut, because if they're too long, you're probably going to blow it off. Here we go. Oh! Now, let's see if it can penetrate something. Okay, I'm loaded up with one more round of .22 calibre. I'm gonna say like 5 inches. Here we go. Oh! We only went through about 3 inches of gel.